Hi guys, welcome to the next ReeVlog. I'm slightly ill. Not like awfully so, but a little bit. You might be able to tell by my complexion. It's not just the light, I am actually a bit paler than usual, though the light doesn't help. Also, like, yeah, I've got cough. My hair's, like, apparently solid now. As if that's a thing. So yeah. Whew. I started the other day typing up a new YouTube video that I want to do a PowerPoint and make into a video. I hope that goes well. I want to finish it by the end of the month, so I don't think my Halloween parody song will be prepared for this year, which means I'll have to wait for the next year. And then I'll probably forget to do it, and I probably won't be ready for then either. But hopefully it will. Ding. So yeah, what have I been up to today? Well, I've eaten 3 pot noodles, sneezed a lot, coughed a lot, went to the loo a couple times, ate 2 pickled eggs, did some work, had 2 seminars, nearly fell asleep in them because it was warm and I was so sleepy, and I had to do a reading which was boring, so I was like, but I didn't actually fall asleep. I managed to make my eyes stay open for the most part, even though I had music being like boom, boom, ba-da, ba-da, boom from the inside of my head, so it was probably more like boo, ba-doo, ba-doo, ba-doo. Because that was my daydreaming, apparently. Apparently I was just going to sleep and have like a little mini music go on in my head. Can't remember any of the lyrics or anything, sadly, but such is life. What else do I need to talk about? I've already been going on for like 2.5 minutes, oh my god. I don't really have anything else to say at present. Bonsai tree's still alive. I've got my own water bottle now, rather than sharing one with my plant. Lazarus is still doing well, my bear, for anyone who forgot. Still a shame he's a Jedi, not Sith, but we can't all follow the true path. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go maybe like do some more food for me. I don't know, I might do some tomato soup. I've got tins, I might do some of that and put it in a tea mug, just come in here and just drink it. Because I don't think I'm going to be doing any work this afternoon. I might try having a nap, but I need food. I need sustenance. So, yeah. Man, I do not look in the best state right now. Like, this is my rest face. Then this is my, like, tired, showing I'm tired rest face. And yes, my eyes are open, slightly. And this is my paying attention face. And yeah, this eye's like bleh, and this eye's slightly less bleh, but it's still pretty bleh. And then in general, I'm just not looking as snazzy as usual. I wonder why. Fuck it. Be alright, wouldn't it? Oh yeah, I've got to do a thing for a friend who's currently on my phone occupying this section, because they are the chat head on my Facebook Messenger right now. Ding! Oh well. I might play some DS games out of the ones I got with me. Here's the thing. ex-girlfriend, Emma. She had a look for some DS games I left at her house last time I had been there. They're not there anymore, although she can't find them. I reckon they're probably in the loft at theirs. Ah well, I need to get a new DS game anyway. I might be able to see if I can get a bundle discount sort of thing. In other news, bonfire night soon, but I'm going to leave that for now because this is over 5 minutes, so I'll catch you cats on the flip flop. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.